You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 87, creating report for time to close after resolution. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. As you can see, I am logged in using my primary account and this is home.atlassian. We'll click on 4 blocks and 4 blocks are there next to home. Click on this and click on Jira Service Management. We'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management and under reports, let's click on reports and then we'll click on create new report. We will name it as resolution incident met and we are going to click on add series. We'll give the name as time to close after resolution met and we are going to give a label. We'll select one of the color you can select. Make sure it filter by specific work item. You have selected basic and click on add. So here we have the count 0 resolution met. Click on create. Click on reports, refresh and you have the report over here. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.